We've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo unit for rent on Bayshore on the Lake condominiums in Bradenton that I'm going to show you. I want to point some things out. Behind this building right there is the pool. And you can see right there is the stairwell, very close to the entrance to this unit. At the end of the hallway, on both ends, we have elevators, and down on the first floor, at the base of the elevator, right over there, is the mailbox, number 414, and you can also see assigned parking space 414, and against the back is all guest parking. Also, at the end, right around the corner, laundry room. Let's go inside. So it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, and you can see it's completely remodeled. Very clean, very nice, stainless steel appliances, beautiful. You will notice that it is partially furnished, and if you have all the furniture and don't need any of the pieces, we can make that furniture go away prior to move-in. You'll just need us to notify us. Okay. Really nice outdoor private balcony space with storage. Very quiet. Great place for the morning coffee. So let's take a look in the master bedroom. Also has a sliding glass door out to the patio. Walk-in closet. And here's the door that goes into the bathroom. You can see fresh tile, flooring, vanity, everything's clean and new. And here's the other entrance to the bathroom off from the hallway from the dining room area. And here's the second bedroom. Very nice. Little storage closet right here. Also has the water heater and the air handler. And you also have a linen closet here. So there you have it, Bayshore on the Lake, 2-bedroom, 1-bath condominium with assigned parking for rent in Bradenton. Contact Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee, 941-225-8183. Have a great day and God bless you. Bye-bye.